Hi again, future kids. Welcome to Lecture 3 of your exciting AI journey here at FutureKids VR. Today, we are going to ask a big question. Can AI think like a human brain? Let's dive into it. What's so special about the human brain? Your brain is like the most powerful supercomputer in the world. It helps you see and understand pictures, remember people and places, solve puzzles and problems, laugh, cry, and love, and make choices. But most important of all, your brain has feelings, imagination, and can dream up new ideas. So, what about AI? AI is super smart at certain things. It can recognize faces, translate languages, play games like chess or Minecraft, even write poems or draw pictures. But here's the thing. AI is not a human. AI doesn't have feelings, and it can't truly understand love, friendship, or kindness. It only knows what we teach it using rules and data. Human brain vs. AI brain. Let's compare. Feature human brain, AI emotions, no, learning style, experience, data, creativity, very high, limited, thinking ability, flexible, rule-based, memory, imperfect, very strong, understanding, deep, shallow. So while AI is very good at patterns, speed, and memory, it can't feel, imagine, or dream like you can. Why is this important? Because you are special, future kid. Your brain can do magic that no robot can do. You can invent. You can create songs. You can tell jokes. You can care for others. AI can help you, but it can't replace you. Imagine this. A robot might write a funny story, but you know if it's really funny or not. Why? Because you have feelings. You understand fun, kindness, and love. Always remember, AI is a tool. You are the thinker, dreamer, and creator. With your brain and a little help from AI, you can build amazing things. That's it for today, future kid geniuses. In the next lecture, we'll talk about how AI sees the world. Computer vision. See you next time. Bye.